ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. For example, the living things would be the plants that you see around us, and the non-living things would be the water, the air, and the soil.
Plants are the foundation upon which the rest of the rainforest is built. So now we are going to take you on a tour and show you different plants and explain how important they are to the ecosystem. The carnival wax palm plays a very important economic role in Brazil, where the extraction and exportation of its heat-resistant wax in a major industry. This wax is used for car waxes, for polishes, and even to protect the coatings on candles.
Now we're going to talk about plants that we use for food. This is a pomegranate plant. We eat pomegranates are fruits that we eat in our daily lives, and not only people eat them, but herbivores also eat them, who in turn are eaten by carnivores, who eventually die and decompose, enriching the soil for future plant growth, and thus going with the circle of life.
Some other plants that we eat are the banana plant, the coffee plant, and my personal favorite, the chocolate plant. We also have a pineapple plant, and as you can see, one is starting to grow.
Plants can also be used as a home by living organisms. This is an ant plant, and as you can see, the ants bury deep down and make tunnels and holes and live in the plant. Here's a plant that has been used for thousands of years. It's the aloe plant. The aloe plant is most notably used to help heal burns.
Plants are also used for fragrances. This is a jasmine plant. It's used in a lot of our perfumes and body mists. Some plants that are used for flavoring food would be this vanilla plant. The atmosphere provides oxygen and carbon dioxide for the plants and animals in ecosystem. The atmosphere is also part of the water cycle. Without the complex interactions and elements in the atmosphere, there would be no life at all.
Here's an example of a non-living thing, a pond. And as you can see, there are living things in it. There are plants and animals. The plants around the pond help filtrate it and keep it clean so that the plants and animals that live in the pond can survive. The heat and light from the sun are crucial parts of an ecosystem. The sun's heat helps water evaporate and return to the atmosphere, where it's cycled back into water. The heat also keeps plants and animals warm. Without light from the sun, there would be no photosynthesis, and plants wouldn't have the energy they need to make food. Soil is a crucial part of an ecosystem. It provides important nutrients for the plants in an ecosystem. It helps anchor the plants to keep them in place. Soil absorbs and holds water for the plants and animals to use and provides a home for lots of living organisms. And now we want to show you what our favorite plant in the conservatory is. This is a sensitive plant. It is called a sensitive plant because if you can see, whenever you touch the leaves, they fold up and they stay there for just a couple of minutes. And it does this as a defense mechanism, so if an insect lands on it to eat it, then it folds up, and the plant is also used in some medicines.